Welcome to the Science of Math. Today we're going to be talking about how to use a straight edge and a compass and a pen or pencil to measure things. Alright, so I'm going to end up making a ruler, and so I'm going to use my straight edge. Just go ahead and make a straight line, like so. And on that straight line, I'm then going to make a measurement. I think I'm going to use my finger, like so. Then I'm going to use my compass to make a measurement, and I'm just going to open up the compass using the wheel on the compass. You do want to have a compass that actually has a wheel for this. Okay, so that's that part of the finger. I'm going to call that a finger, and that's going to be my unit. So now I'm going to make a starting point over here, and then I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to put my point right here on that exact point, and then I'm going to make my mark with my pen there, and that makes a one finger unit. And then I'm going to move down, and that's going to make a 2-finger unit, and then I'm going to make a 3-finger unit, and so on and so forth. So I can label this as my 0, that's my starting point, that's my 1 finger, my 2 finger, and my 3 finger. And that allows me to copy any distance I choose to use to measure with onto a piece of paper and make a ruler out of it. Now I want to make a new unit that is half of that. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to shrink that down. I'm not going to try to guess half. I'm going to go more than half, but less than a whole. I'm going to make an arc. So I have an arc up here, like so. And then I'm going to go to the other point and make an arc here and here. And that gives me 2 points on top and bottom. And I'm going to place the tip of my pen like so. So that's marking that first point. And then I'm going to double check to make sure that I get right on the point on both top and bottom. I'm going to draw a line that goes through those 2 points. And now I have that in exactly half. So this is my 1/2 mark. This is 2 halves. Now the bottom number on my fraction is just how many, or just how big this piece is. So how many pieces I've divided my unit into. So here I have 1 piece over here, 1 piece over here, that's 2. That goes in the bottom of the fraction. It's called a denominator. And then I'm going to use my compass here to duplicate that distance. Exactly on the half. So I can now copy that half down my ruler, like so. Now I have my 0, I have my 1/2, my 2 halves, this becomes 3 halves, this here becomes 4 halves, 5 halves, 6 halves, and 7 halves.